Hello everyone, welcome back to Must Have Mustangs. This is my new 2014 Mustang GT 450. Yep, this is another one other than my gray one. I sold the gray one recently to buy a 2016 BMW 328i, and that was a mistake. So I sold that one and bought a Mustang again. This one is manual, it's not automatic like the other one. And long story short, today I'm gonna be installing a RTR front splitter. The best thing is to do is to drive it onto drive lines, but right now it's about 45 degrees outside, and they have been outside for a while, so they're cold. And as you can see, they kept slipping away from the tire. So what I did was I lifted one side and then secured it with the jack stand. Yep, so it's pretty straightforward. There is, let me show you. There's two 7s here that I've already taken out. And there's 7 millimeters all along the bottom side, like right here, all the way around. But it's a bit dark under here. This shield has to come off. There's like 5 more 7s there, and then once that come off, this whole piece will come off with it. And then the OEM lip is attached to the bumper by push pins. So let me go ahead and get those 7s out. It looks like one is here, one is there, 2, 3, and then 4 on the other side. And I'm sure there's one in the middle that would make it 5. Let me get those out and I'll come back to you. And once you get all those out, you kind of just like pull this from the back and then it comes out. There you go. Once it comes out, pull it out, clean it, do whatever the hell. And get under there. Right here, it looks like there's 2 more 7s, and then over there's those push pins I talked about. So 2 7s, one here, one on the other side, and then about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 push pins to get out. And I'm using a cordless ratchet that I bought from Amazon for about 100 bucks, and use a push pin, trim tool for these push pins, and that should be it. I think I'm gonna pull out the push pins first, then take these out, so that way this thing is not flapping around in my face. Out with the old, I'm about to put the new one in there, which is this. Now it's the part where I figure out how to put it on there. It does come with some hardware, but it looks like there are no screws to hold it on. This thing is not even pre-drilled. Let's see how I'm gonna do it, and I'll keep you guys posted. Okay, so none of it went as planned. It looks like taking the whole under shield off was for no reason. Even if I had left the OEM spoiler, it wouldn't have made a difference, because you had to drill extra pilot holes here, and I just used where the tabs were, and I drilled into this and used those tabs to secure this in place. Same on the other side. And at the bottom, let me show you at the bottom. Okay, as you can see, everything went back in place. These right here, these were from the old lip. They're just hanging now. As you can see, it's just hanging. I tried to secure this as much as possible. What I did is they only give you 4 screws. I put those right here, 4 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's about it. They wanted me to put 3M tape inside this where it's attaching the bumper, but I did not do that. I just put these back in place, kind of overlap this to, you know, hold it, and it is solid on there. It makes some noise. One of these pieces, like this piece, it was completely like this. I had to heat shrink it and make sure it's on it right. As you can see, there's a gap over there, gap over here. It does look nice. This is what it looks like. I would have went with my old one on the old Mustang, but I kept scraping that on my driveway. Also, I wanted to try something different. This is not painted. I am going to get a rear spoiler that's painted, gloss black. This one's not painted because, you know, it's exposed to rocks and whatnot. Yeah, I'm gonna just leave it like this. Whenever I wash the car, I'll just shine it up a bit. I mean, the car is already looking pretty mean. Move this out of here. Let's lower the car and see what it looks like. Now you guys get a better view of what it looks like. I am using my GoPro, so everything is kind of wide angle. My actual camera was dead. So yeah, I mean, if somebody kicks on it, it might come off, honestly, but after all, I think it's under solid. Let me know what you think in the comments. And also, thank you guys for blowing up my Tesla screen video on silver Mustang. I'm not gonna put that one on this Mustang because this Mustang came up pretty much loaded. This is manual. It came with the touchscreen, heated seats. Yep, the car does need to be tinted. I like this color. I mean, I'm still having mixed feelings about it, but it looks like the black is matching really well. And I'm looking to get black wheels, the PP1s from like 2017 Mustang, just like my old one. Yeah, alright guys, well, thank you for watching, and I hope I keep, you know, putting more stuff on this and bringing you more content. Thank you.